everyone, I'm your cute little Nakshatra from Dazzling Little Diamonds. Happy Mother's Day to one and all. Today I'm going to make Mother's Day card for my mother. Come, let's get started. So here I have color paper, MOM mom, 2 big hearts, few little hearts, and a glue. That's all what I need. First fold the paper half in its size. Now let's paste MOM mom to the card. Now it's done. See how it's looking? Now we'll stick few little hearts to the card. It is looking so beautiful now. Come, let's decorate inside. We'll stick big hearts to the center. It's time to write something to my mom. inside the heart, you can write whatever you want. Here I am writing best mom. Now my card is ready. I love my mom. I'm going to give this card to my mom. Hope you all enjoyed my card. Try to make your own card.